Hi, Tita Asel.
Hi, Tita Sil!
Ayan po, hinahamon ho namin si Awesomely Brave and si Kuya Brave para sa kanilang Patience Challenge.
Good luck, Kuya Brave!
Good luck po. Good luck.
Yup, yup!
It's time to go home.
Ayun. You help mommy. Put. Okay. Careful. Yan. Put here. Careful. Oops. Careful. Good job. Good job. Okay.
One eternity later.
Wait, what do you want? What do you want?
Cheese.
Cake? You like cake? Oh, wait lang. You take your seat there. Take your seat. Wow, what's this?
Cheese.
Wait lang. Oh, here's the cake. Yung ginawa namin ni Brave. Wait lang. Mommy will give you a slice. What's this?
Cheese.
Wow. You say wow first.
No.
Wow. This is a Graham cake. Wait lang. Do not touch, ha? Do not touch. Mommy will give you a slice. Mommy will give you a slice. Wait lang, ha? Mommy will give you a slice. Wait lang. You like this one?
Yes, sir.
You like this one? What will you say?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, wait lang. Do not touch. Oh, wait lang, ha? Oh, wait lang. Wait for mommy, okay?
Okay.
Do not touch. Do not eat first. You wait for mommy. Mommy will go upstairs. Oh, wait for mommy. Do not eat. Do not touch, okay? Move ka dyan. Move ka dyan. Oh, do not eat first. Wait for mommy, ha? Okay?
Okay.
Do not eat. Mommy will get something upstairs, okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait for mommy, ha? Hi, guys. Iniwan ko si Brave doon sa baba, kasama yung kanyang cake. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal niyang, kung gagalawin niya o hindi. Sabi ko kasi, don't touch the cake, eh. Hindi ko alam talaga, guys, kung anong gagawin niya. So, dito muna tayo, antayin natin bago siya. Kung gagalawin niya yung, yung cake. Mommy will buy ice first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do not touch the cake. Mommy will buy ice first, okay? Wait for mommy. Stay, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Good job. Wait lang. Mommy will buy ice first. Yes, mommy. Be a good boy, okay?
Okay.
Listen to mommy. Good job. Where's mommy's first?
For
Yes. Wait lang, mommy's looking for for the purse. Where did mommy put the purse?
first.
Ay, it's here. Oh, wait lang si mommy. Mommy will buy ice first, ha? And then you eat the cake, okay? Wait for mommy first, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Okay, mommy will buy ice, ha? What's that? Is that mommy's phone?
From.
It's mommy's phone. Did you? Okay, wait lang.
Teacher.
Ayan guys. Actually sa taas nag 1 minute timer ako and then nag 3 minutes, total of 4 minutes ko siyang pinag-antay. So Brave is a good good boy. Eat na your cake. It's very good. So very good din ng baby ko. Kaya niya ding mag-antay pag sinabi ni mommy na wait for mommy, okay? Okay, finish your cake. Yan. Say, bye guys. Wow, yum. O, say, eat your cake. Hello mga ka-awesome viewers! Yun po, it's already almost 12 o'clock in the evening. So, yun po yung aming vlog for today. It's the Patience Challenge. Thank you kay Mommy's Corner sa kanyang paghamon sa amin. So, nasubukan ko sa aking baby ang challenge na yun. Actually, kinakabahan ako kanina kasi feeling ko mag-epic fail. O, kasi kanina pa siya humihingi ng cake and talagang sabi ko, no, you have to, inutusan ko pa siya, you have to pack away your toys, you have to, ganyan. O, tapos yung takam na takam, talagang tinakam ko talaga siya. Na buti nga hindi niya ginalaw. So, I'm very, very proud of Brave. Totoo lang kasi, isa yan sa karakteristik na hinahangaan ko kay Brave since na-build ko yung authority sa kanya. And I'm so happy na talagang sumusunod siya sa akin. Yun, kahit habang lumalaki siya, nasanay siya na kung ano sinabi ni Mommy, kailangan niyang sundin. Actually, basta kung ano ang sinabi na mas matanda sa kanya, kailangan niyang sundin. Yun. So, yun. Wala namang pagkakaiba ang regular na bata sa isang batang may kapansanan. Ayan. Basta maturuan sila ng tama. They can do good things po. Yun. So, I'm so happy with my baby. Ayan siya, oh. Yan. Tulog na siya. Yan. Yun, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung aming challenge for today. First challenge namin yan. So, kung meron kayong mga gustong ipagawa sa amin ni Brave, yung mga challenge na yan, pwede nyo akong i-message. Pwede nyo akong i-message. O kaya i-comment nyo sa ating comment box. Kung may mga gusto kayo ipagawa. And itry natin kung hanggang saan ang kakayahan ni Brave. So, maging epic fail man o hindi, i-cover po natin yon. Yun guys, and always support our YouTube channel po guys. Punuin po natin ang ating Bark Alikansya para mas marami pa po tayong matulungan na mga magulang na katulad ko na totoong nangangailangan kahit maliit lang po na tulong na pwede natin ibigay sa kanila. Yun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo aming vlog for today. And always remember guys, it's okay to be different po. Thank you guys. We'll see you on our next vlog. Mami na to?
Abi!
Give mommy? Will you give mommy?
Eh.
Brave only. Give mommy. Aba.